Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share with you a very horrible story. The story has happened with my friend when she was in their childhood. My friend told me when I was little, we lived in a rented house. When all of us kids used to play there, used to be a pipeline. One day when we were playing there, the sound of some people coming from that pipeline. When we started calling those people were also calling us in response. Now we used to do this every day. They used to call us, we used to call them. Inside the dishing washes voice is also include in his voice. Okay. One day when my father came to know, he also came and saw that the sound was coming from the pipeline. Oh my god, my father was very scared because this pipe came out from under the ground. There was a hole in the bore. Then my father started inquiry that how to come there, their pipeline. The owner of the house also got off a lot of inquiry with my father, but probably what was there came out from inside the ground of the of after that, my father left the house and we shifted to another house. Even, oh friends, even today, when we remember this incident, my father discussed it because my father was very scared after all. Who were those who lived under it? Who lived under it, the ground? Nobody know. Oh, and nowadays no one live in this house on rent, and it is very old. Okay friends, and this is a story for today. um, okay, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.